How to download Spotify alternative on Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily download Spotify alternative on Android. So first thing, just head over to your Play Store and just search in for the eSound application. So it's an application where you can stream music and songs offline and listen to trending music and playlists with MP3 player. Might not be offered in the Spotify application itself, so you can get a lot of features inside here. So you can just tap on this install button over here, and for your confirmation it has over 10 million plus downloads, so you can download it faithfully. So once it get downloaded, just click on open to open the application just like this, and you can just register for free. If you have an account, already have an account, you just click on the second option over here and you can just log in and start listening to your music. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.